Welcome to our tech series. Today, we're diving into the world of virtual machines, commonly known as VMs. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just curious, this video will give you a clear understanding of what a VM is and how it works. Let's start with the basics. A virtual machine is a software-based simulation of a physical computer. It runs an operating system and applications just like a real computer, but it's not tied to any specific hardware. In simple terms, it's like having multiple computers running on a single physical machine. Each VM operates independently and can run different operating systems and applications. VMs are created using a technology called virtualization. This involves a layer of software known as a hypervisor. A hypervisor is a software layer that sits between the physical hardware and the virtual machines. It allocates resources like CPU, memory, and storage to each VM and manages their operation. The hypervisor ensures that each VM remains isolated from the others, which means they can run different operating systems and applications without interfering with each other. There are two main types of hypervisors, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 hypervisors, also known as bare metal hypervisors, run directly on the physical hardware. Examples include VMware ASC and Microsoft Hyper-V. Type 2 hypervisors run on top of a host operating system. Examples include VMware Workstation and Oracle VirtualBox. These are typically used for development and testing. So why use VMs? Here are some key benefits. Cost efficiency. Multiple VMs can run on a single physical server, reducing hardware costs. Flexibility. VMs can run different operating systems and applications, making them ideal for testing and development. Isolation. Each VM is isolated, so if one crashes, it doesn't affect the others. Scalability. VMs can be easily created, modified, or deleted,